Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Another great looking set here from the Friends line. This is the Holiday Ski Slope and Cafe. I am loving the look of this set. 3 mini dolls we get, and I see the Igloos are there in the background. And over here is Aaron, and he's on an all abilities sled there, and Leanne's gone on the slopes. Loving the box art as always with this new wave of friends. And on the back here, looks like there's a lot of things to do at this ski slope cafe. You can hide out in the cave there, and you can repair your skis in the little ski repair section, I guess. So let's open it up and see what we get in this very expensive $140 set, but I found it at Big W for $74, so I was super happy. Looks like we get 7 numbered bags. Yep, 7. This noodle for the staircase, 8x16 plate. So let's shred open the instruction packet here. I'm trying to rip this open without destroying everything, and oh, sticker sheet. Lots of cool stickers here. Oh, we get a little Yeti toy. There must be like a little gift shop. I guess that's in the cafe. Little map there of the mountain, and a Yeti, or I was going to say adorable snowman, the abominable snowman. I can't even say that properly. Let's look in the instructions. Here are all those cool Friends sets, and 324 steps, and this set comes with 980 pieces, so that's quite a few there. No map to be seen because it's on Elsa's secret mountain. Loving the look of this. Alrighty, let's build. Loving Leanne's outfit. Like, I love those peekaboo orange shoes she's got there. She's got a little snowman on the front and the Yeti or adorable snowman on the back. I love her outfit. So I'm just going to switch her hair and do her helmet hair because she is going to go on her snowboard. Loving this. She's going to do some cool tricks here on the snow and try not to slip on that slippery ice. We got a cute little snow fox here. He's giving us a little wink and grin. Now Zach. Love his outfit. That is a very sophisticated looking snow outfit. Now he needs to pop on his helmet, and I love the visor on the front there. It's like a big snow goggles there. He's got this really brightly coloured fluoro snowboard, and he's going to do some tricks for us. He's coming back because he needs to hold his little selfie stick here. He's going to be taking lots of photos on the snow. We're going to try and stick him over here, and that's a very funny angle to take photos on, Zach. I'll just rest him like this. We have a new mini doll here. This is Aaron, and he has some mobility challenges, so I think his legs might not work as well. That's why he needs to use some walking sticks there. Love his coral scarf. His sweater looks incredible. I love the printing on that. We're going to take away his walking sticks because he's going to be sitting on this for now. So this is like an all abilities sled. We're going to pop him on here. So he's going to have some fun in the snow. He needs a helmet with the big visor on as well. And we're going to give him some ski poles so he can go fast and slow down, and I guess have some, balance as well. So there he goes. He's doing some cool tricks for us. We're going to begin with the base of the slope, and it's really cool how it's built, I think. I do love this slope. We're going to test it out later on because it looks like it's going to be some fun. And it's got quite a few good building techniques in this set actually. And it looks like we've got like a little cave down below as well. Okay, so that's part of the slope done. We're going to stick Leanne on her snowboard with that little clear thingy. So we can position her, maybe not that way, that doesn't look good. Hang on, I'll turn it around. So you can position her and try and get her on the snowboard without hurting her. There we go. So it looks like she's doing some cool tricks there on the slope. And it's a good way to display your mini dolls. Also, I'll just turn that sign around like that, and we're going to get her to ride away. Now we're starting the base of the cafe. So it's quite large in my opinion, I think. And we've got quite a few nice curves going in and angled parts. And we have some engraving here, MSOEA I think it says. I think the 5 girls have been here before, hiding in that little cave. The colours they have chosen for this cafe and just set are really, really nice. And I love the stone wall feature at the front also. There's the little map of the slopes, and we've got a little sign there for the cafe to buy some hot chocolate. This is cool, this little soda vending machine. I really like that. And did you notice those little white bits near the door? They're like little footprints of snow. We've got the little hot chocolate making station with some bickies there. Loving the look of this so far. There's a sticker here to show you all the things that you can buy, little postcards and gifts, the picture of the abominable snowman, I said it correctly that time. And now this, these are the stairs that curve around the side. So this is a really cool building technique. They're normally found in the modular sets, these style of builds. So that's really nice to see in a Friends set. So that looks like it's a suspended staircase sort of. Here's the bendy noodle for the railing for the curved staircase. That looks really nice. Okay, let's click this section together and see how it looks. And then I just need to add a few more pieces to finish it off. Zach's come along. He wants to test out the half-built ski slope. Off he goes there. These stairs remind me of the community kitchen, the look of them. And we're going to be doing upstairs now. Up the top here is the repair workshop, and we get a spider lurking about on the slopes. So here's the little vice grip here, so you can pop your skis in to repair. Got the little door, and I like the log looking section up here. I like the build technique of that. Alrighty, so the log parts there I really like. The ski slope's looking pretty cool. Not sure why the spider's hiding there. Here's the little workshop. I really like that. And that little plate was missing there on the instructions, so I had to spare and pop that on. Bag number 6 just finishes off the top part here with all the advertising on the veranda. And we get to do another extension of the ski slope. So this is actually going to be quite fun. My cat just tested it out and he went whoosh. I like the way this roof part is built. So it's on an angle and looks like snow's all over it. It looks really good, I think. Love the curves on the back there of the slope. Great builds in this, I feel. And who's testing it out? I am, and I'm not doing too well on there. Love the sign here, how that's been done on the snowboard. More of these awesome looking pine trees that tie in with the Igloo set. And just adding the bench there with a snowboard, and I've popped in all the accessories on there, and I'm gonna pop everyone in. This set is looking fabulous. I actually really love this set. I'm gonna point out those stairs again. The overall appearance of this set is wonderful. Build techniques, the color scheme, love this little cave or secluded cave in there. All in all, a very beautiful set. Okay, now everyone has to test out that slope, and Liam went down really well. Let's check out Zach, and oh, he needs a little bit of a repair job there. Aaron's gonna go on his sled, and let's check him out, and he went flying down. Let's see on this angle, and oh, he fell off. Oh dear. Okay, lucky there's going to be a hospital next year. Leanne again. This is so much fun. Zach face planting there on the snow. Poor guy. And now me and my cat, we're going to test the slopes. Let's see. No, I'm not doing too well there. Oh gosh. Alright, I'm a bit worse for wear. I just want to show you the two winter sets together, and they look so good together. I would have loved more of the sets in this theme, and I would have loved all the mini dolls so I could have all of them in winter clothes. The Lego Friends Holiday Ski Slope and Cafe set. Love this set. I love everything about it. I don't think I even want to rebuild it. The colour palette of this is very grown up. It can go into any winter village. Looks great with the Igloo set. The build techniques, like I said before, are great. The parts in this are awesome, and I feel it is very good value for money, especially if you get it on sale. So everyone, get your bricks out.